Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Dan Pipitone, founder of TradeZero America, to discuss opportunities in the market for investors and traders, both on the long and short side due to the volatility seen in 2020. Dan, it's great to see you. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me.
And do you expect to see more choppy action to and through the election in the remainder of 2020?
That is what we're expecting. It seems kind of odd that lately, the markets outside of today have been really kind of moving in one direction as, the Republican ticket has kind of slipped in the polls. And the story has been, the prediction of a blue sweep, and the clarity and the certainty of knowing the outcome of the election has been a reason for the recent rise. But we're a bit confused by that. We think that, the market is potentially pricing in a Republican win. But the polls will say different. So we do expect the choppiness and volatility to continue on through the election and through the results being certified and certain.
Have you seen an increase in volume on both the long and short side?
We have. It's been a really crazy ride throughout COVID. Our numbers are up about 200% on the short selling side and about 300% overall, comparing January, February to in September. So the rise of the new retail trader has definitely taken hold, and where we sit, we're seeing some of that benefit.
Well, Dan, that's a great point that you make. I would imagine these market conditions have created opportunities for long-term investors and, of course, short-term traders.
Sure. Well, again, it's important to have the access to participate in volatility on both an up and down side. That's one of our areas of specialty, is that we kind of provide equal access and treatment to stocks on both the long and short side. So from a trader's perspective, even from a longer-term investor standpoint, having that tool in your arsenal definitely helps navigate the markets a little bit better.
What are some of the winning and losing sectors you're looking at?
So typically on a daily basis, we're seeing a lot of activity in the small cap biotech sector. There is a lot of news related to both treatments, vaccines, and supporting areas of COVID-related treatment. We're seeing lots of action and opportunities there on a daily basis. The correction that we saw in big cap, large cap tech, it kind of really spoke to, again, the general trend of the up markets since mid to end of March, whereby that's somewhat of a correction that we saw in big tech a couple months ago was really spoke to the trade of staying long, because traders averaged down, and by the time they were averaging down, all of these names, big cap names, were coming back. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens with retail as we are navigating a more choppy market and potentially a down market where things aren't really just trending up all the time.
Well, Dan, as you had said, the big story for 2020, of course, is the influx of retail investors who have largely only traded in an up market. We saw that correction in September, but just as fast as that happened, the market virtually recovered to near all-time highs. So how concerned are you if there is a prolonged sell-off or longer period of extreme volatility?
The concern is really ensuring for us and our customers is ensuring that traders and our customers have the access and the opportunity to capitalize on the movements of the markets that they see best. So it's to ensure that we maintain a robust supply of shares for shorting, and that we continue to create the tools and market access, like trading from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. to our traders and investing clientele.
All right, Dan, thanks for joining us on Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me.
Got it, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.